This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
In this video, I'm going to be talking about surrounding yourself with the right people. Now, it's very important to surround yourself with successful people. And by successful people, I don't mean people that have made a lot of money or that have already started a business, but I'm talking about people that are optimistic, and that'll be encouraging for you when you're starting your own business. So there's a quote that's really popular, that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And there's a lot of truth to that. And what's most important is you don't want to be around people that bring you down. And that's because being around people that keep telling you why your business will fail or can't be done is poisonous. So if you hear that all day long, it's no wonder that you're not motivated to start your own business. You want to be around people that lift you up and encourage you to work on your own projects. And most importantly, you want to be around people that support you when you fail. And that's because failure is a really good learning tool. But if you're around people that are going to make fun of you when you fail, that's going to be very discouraging. And you're not going to want to try at all because you don't want to be made fun of. The next thing is to find people that are actively working on a business similar to yours. And that's because being around self-motivated people is very contagious. And what's even better is if you can find someone that will keep you accountable. Someone that's optimistic and encouraging, but will also let you know when you're slacking off and when you're working hard.